welcome to episode 26 of Credit 101. My name is Rickita. We're going to go over the free FICO credit score estimator. Now, this is free. All you have to do is go to my FICO's website. Here it is right here. And then you can be able to use this estimator to estimate what your credit score is. Now, here is the estimator. Let's go ahead and fill out some of this information to see like what's the estimate of what your credit score is. So let's actually just use me as an example. I have more than 5 credit cards. How long did you have a first card for? I'll put 5 to 8 years. How long ago did you get your first loan? My first loan was technically a student loan. So let's do 10 to 15. How many loans or credit cards have you applied for in the last year? Let's not lie too much. 6 or more. How recently have you applied for a new loan or credit card? More than 6 months ago? How many of these currently have a balance 0 to 4? Besides any mortgage loans, what is the total balances on all loans on your credit cards? What is the balances on all other loans? It's besides a mortgage. Technically, I got a car loan. So let's put 20. Where did you last miss a payment? I never missed a payment. How many of your loans are credit cards have past due? None. What percentage of the total limit? See, you guys, a utilization. So let's do 0 to 9. In the last 10 years, have you experienced bankruptcy? No. Okay, so this is their simulator. So again, start over and look at a few things. They want to know how many credit cards you have. If you have credit cards, they're reporting that's good. How long ago did you get your first credit card? That's your age, your history. So they want you to have old credit cards. How long ago did you get your first loan? Do you have old loans on your credit reports? How many loans do you have or credit cards have you applied for in the last year? They want to know inquiries, and then they want to know if you messed up your age. So that's where that 6, that one I have to put the 6 on there. So how recently have you opened a new loan? Because if it's newer, remember, it's going to hit your credit. Your credit score needs to bounce back. So more than 6 months means your credit score probably bounced back. How many of your loans have a balance? Because remember, they want to know your utilization, your balances. You know, besides your mortgage, what's your total balances? I have an auto loan, so I have to put 20,000. Have you missed any payments? Don't have any late payments, you guys, because it's hurting you. I never missed a payment. How many loans are currently past due? None. You shouldn't have any of your accounts past due. Make sure you pay at least the minimum balance, but it's best to make sure you do this section here because you know this must be the best one. You don't want to be 100% or higher. You want to be right here, 0 to 9%. But remember, I said that it was this last time they had me at 7 something. Let's see if I put 100. What would they say? In the last 10 years, have you ever experienced bankruptcy? Let's say yes. See what they. How long ago was your most recent negative? Okay, they didn't say this. Let's say it was over 3 years ago. See, look, having that bankruptcy and having that high utilization really brought down that credit score. So that's something that you guys can use. You can see like the different changes that I went through from just putting the information in there the first time, you know, compared to the second time. But definitely check that out, you guys. There's the website. I'll see you guys in episode 27. And in episode 27, we're going to talk about the different things that affect your credit, the different factors that affect your credit. I'll see you guys there.